Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Nah, that's not good, man.
Are we good?
That's not good.
No? Alright. Alright. Go.
What are we doing today, Jono?
Today we're taking this box off. We're gonna put this one on. We're gonna get so much airflow.
Why is that funny, Joe? Why is that funny?
Don't worry about it. Let's just go get a PVC pipe, man.
Yeah, we got it in.
Just give it, you smack it on the ground a bit.
Okay.
Dude, oh my god.
Okay. Okay. Hold that. Hold the pipe. Fit it on.
So why aren't we just using a PVC pipe?
Alright.
Yeah, sick.
Alright, we got it on. I think we'll put a piece of zip tie to here to there. Ooh, we're actually gonna get whoosh noises today.
So what are we gonna...
Alright, so we put this back on.
Oh! No, look, we just get a zip tie and zip tie it to like...
Andrew's grand idea was to use zip
Oh, that was
ties.
my idea, was it now?
It is your idea.
How is that my idea?
I don't think this works, Andrew. Look at it.
What do you mean? It's fine. Look, it's resting perfectly.
Okay. Oh, we're actually just gonna leave it like this, Andrew?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
1 hour later.
Alright, we just went for a drive. What happened there?
So, we definitely... well, it's definitely a good idea to make sure your pod filter is actually sturdy because rubbing can happen. And it's actually rubbed it to bare metal, so...
You know what they say?
Yeah, this
Rubbing is
is
racing.
a defect, so... So yeah, anyways, gotta do some engineering now.
Alright, engineering time. Smart solution.
This is worse. If there wasn't even a zip tie, this is worse.
6.5 hours later.
Yeah, but like we have to put a hose pipe there.
Day 2.
Well, look at the space.
Well, that's why we're wrapping it. Day 3.
Yeah, see, that's
Then
fine.
what's the point? Then okay. It's still gonna be. You're still gonna have to.
1 eternity later.
Okay, all right. We gotta explain what we're doing.
Alright, okay. Alright guys, so...
So we've got this.
I'm the host. Alright guys, so we got this... why are you scratching the car more?
I'm clamping it.
Why are you clamping the car? This doesn't... this isn't defectable right now, that is.
Why'd you just scratch the car?
Okay.
Why'd you just scratch it, Andrew?
We have like 10 minutes of daylight left and we're doing like who's scratching the car right now.
12 seconds later.
Okay, alright. We got this pipe clamp and we got this just random bracket we found in a garbage bin and we're gonna like mount it to the strut bar here and then have it come across.
Well,
Actually,
no. I think since there's a hole here.
Oh well, the screw for that is inside there.
Many months later.
Okay, so this is a Christmas tree drill bit, and there's different steps of hole size, and we're just going to use this to drill a bigger hole in this bracket so that we can fit the screw in. So Andrew, to hold it there.
Oh!
Doesn't.
No!
Where's the side cutters?
Yeah, where are they? Oh, okay. So if it came off this easily, what do you think is going to happen in the car? If this came off so easily, yeah.
Well, it's bendable. So.
Look, nothing in the car is trying to bend this piece 90 degrees.
Okay, fair enough.
Alright,
Where's the box of bolts and nuts? That we had from earlier. Bolts and nuts! Hey! Bolts! So now we're going to do major hacks and take another nut out of here.
Both nuts on at the same time.
Ooh. Okay. No, Ivan! I think to increase the structural rigidity, we should get another one so it's double layer. Yeah, but look, if we get a second one just to stiffen this up, it'll be better. Like if we cut
look at this side, it's still.
Yeah, but like if we get one more bracket, it'll reduce it.
Alright, we'll try.
We just cut one more bracket and put it in there. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, I have my side cut. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, I'll make one more. So we've just added like, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 more brackets of the same length. So to hopefully make it more rigid. And now we're just gonna tighten them back up. Yeah, that's it.
Now?
Oh, we'll have to see.
Oh, that's actually not
Oh, that's right.
I have the plier.
What if we close the bonnet and realize that's too high?
Okay, well,
It's pretty good.
yeah.
This is actually insane, guys. This is actually insane.
I mean,
Do you think it's rubbing? No. How would you even be able to tell? How would you even... why are you... Whoa! Did you hear that? Yeah, there are whoosh noises! There are whoosh noises! Oh my god! There are whoosh noises! Alright guys, so what do you guys think of the pod filter?
If you want whoosh noises, then it gives you whoosh noises.
Right.
But other than that,
we got more whoosh.
Do you feel like it gave your car more power?
No. Anyone who says they feel like this power, they're bull.
Those induction,
That's confirmation bias.
those induction noises just translate the mind game to the next level.
You could say that.
Anyways, what are we doing next time, Andrew?
Oh, I think next time we're gonna be. Catch you guys there.
We won't have to jank engineer that one, right?
No, hopefully not.